Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Johnny, and today we'll be doing the unboxing for this guy. Bit of shake, right? Yes, now this is actually a wireless earbud which I recently bought from Shopee. Alright, it's actually due to the 11/11 promotion. Alright, and so let's get into it. So let me grab my scissors. Right, let me cut it. Right. Now, honestly speaking, after buying, I've been shopping quite regularly, right, for tags and this kind of stuff and normal things. I actually do not really like this type of plastic because it's really very difficult to get in. You can't really tear and make a mess. Now, let's put this aside. Okay, so once you go in, bring out the box, you'll be given this brown cardboard box. Right, so let's open up. Okay, so I'll open it. I'll just now. When I went to Shopee and I saw this earpiece, it was this earbud, right? This earbuds. It was actually listed. The original price was close to $40, 40 Singapore dollars, by the way. And during Lazada, not Lazada, so sorry, this is Shopee actually. Okay, so during 11/11, it was slashed down to a price of $14.90. It's like not like $14.90. It's like under $15. And I applied a little bit of Shopee vouchers and the Shopee coins, and it came down to about $13.80. So it's under $14. All right. So let's go in. Okay, so once you open up, this is what you see. The case itself, and then it has a carrying case. Gray colored, very nice. And then some bubble wrap. Nice, I always love popping these things. It's very therapeutic. Yes, I can relieve stress. Yeah, okay, let's put this away. Right, this carrying case away. All right, so this is the actual product itself. Okay, it's F9, truly wireless. So it's V5, real and wireless. Okay, and this is how it looks like inside. Okay, let's go in. So when you put out, it's like this. Okay, the box, put it aside. Okay, so what you have is the user manual. Very nice. It's in English, alright, even though it came out from China. Put it one side. Okay, the charging cable, micro USB, USB-A, put it aside, and this is the thing. Alright, so what you see here is the charging case. Additional ear tips. For those of you who have. Okay. So there's small ones and big ones. I'll put this aside for now. Okay, and then the earbuds. Okay, I'll take out this one. Alright, it has indication that this is right. Take out the other one. Left. Good. Starting to party now. Alright. Okay. So put it here first. I'm not going to give you anything. Okay, so I'll focus on this one first. So this is a charging case. Let me remove the top plastic cover. You can have a better look. So my first impression of this charging case is it is huge. It looks like those emergency power bank I used to have a couple of years ago. Yeah. Out. Maybe it can act as really, like I say, a power bank. Okay, on their side is in. So this is where the micro USB cable goes in to charge the whole thing. Alright. Holding in my hand. Okay. But knocking it, you can hear the build quality is not, it's so. Alright, so let's open up the front lid, the front cover. Okay, so you can see from here, how it looks like inside. Okay, so this, according to the picture at the front on the box, all right, you can see from here. So this part, it should be the LED, all right, and then this is where the left and right buds goes in. Okay, so let's put them inside. This is right, and this is left. Okay, nice. It came 50% charge. Very good. Right, so when the earbuds are charging, it will be red in color. Okay, so let's close the front lid. Nice. So the case, the front cover case, okay, the front cover is actually translucent. I'm not sure you can see it, but yeah, you see? You can see the wording here. Okay, so that's a very nice thought whereby, you know, if you just want to know how much, you know, whether is your earbuds ready, you can just take it out, you know, you can just take a look. Oh, okay, the charging case has 50% left. All right, the left side has 1 bar. Now it's up to 2 bar. Oh, you see it live. Okay, the right side, it has 2 bar and it's charging, it's still pumping. Yeah, okay, nice, very nice. Right, very thoughtful feature here. Right, even though it's just like a product that's under $14, even though it's listed for 40. Right, so next, let's go in and see how easy it is to actually pair, all right, this product. Okay, so I have my phone here. Now, next, I'm going to take out one side and then start to turn red and blue. I'm going to switch on my Bluetooth here on my phone. There we go. F9 pops up. Tap on it. Okay, pair. Right, and it says connected. So let's go ahead and see playing. Okay, so the music is playing through my earpiece right now, my earbuds. Okay, not bad. Okay, it's playing right now. Cool. Okay, cool. I'm gonna off. Okay, it tells me that disconnected almost instantly. All right, maybe just a half a second lag. Good. Right. Okay, so my initial impression, you know, this unboxing experience, it's a huge case. Reminds me of those emergency power bank in the early days. It's about this size. And what I like is that, you know, because of the translucent case, you can see all the information here easily, right? Build quality wise, okay, so 50-50, right? Not too good, not too less, okay. Then then of course the next in the coming weeks I'll be testing it out, you know, as my daily earbuds, you know, listening to music, answering calls, you know, even doing Zoom, listening to YouTube, you know, all this kind of stuff. Skype, okay, Skype call, you know, because I want to, well, I'll be testing out on the call quality as well, on the audio quality and this kind of thing, and more importantly, you know, on the longevity, right? How long it can last, okay, per charge, and finally, it's whether is it suitable to wear long hours, okay? Because everyone now is, a lot of people are now working from home, you know. Yeah, so, right. So, thank you so much for watching my unboxing of this. So, till next time, bye-bye.